What's up, sis? It's your girl Give You Face, and I am back yet again with another slay. Okay, so today we're going to be doing this fun, fruity, colorful look. It just reminded me of fruit for some reason. Like, I don't know, just the color combo is so beautiful. I took a matte lipstick and turned it into a gloss. Okay, a gloss, because yes, I just thought it would look good with this. You know how fruit is just like juicy, and I don't know, I just felt like doing like a fruity look. So this is what we came up today with today. We used the Crayon case matte book, of course. We're always using that because it's so colorful. Like, it's unmatched. Like, I don't know, like you can use it for literally everything. It's one of my favorite palettes right now. Anyway, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know the next time your girl drops a video, because you don't want to miss it, sis, okay? Also, if you guys want to see how I achieved this look today, then just continue to watch, and I will see you guys in my next one. So we're just starting off. I started the video and then decided that I left something out. So I'm just going to start over. I already started on this eye, but we started in the matte book by the Crayon case with this like purplish color, and we're just gonna put that in the crease like so. And I was saying that your brushes matter, so you guys want to make sure that you listen and you're paying attention. If you guys watch my videos, like, I give you guys like real deal tips and tricks. So, you know, make sure you're not just watching the tutorial. Make sure you're paying attention to the brushes and the products, because brushes matter. They really do. So I just want to make sure y'all are like actually like learning something from my channel, rather than, you know, I don't know, just watching. So next color I'm gonna take is this pink. Yes, this pink right here from the palette. And I'm just gonna take a this is my favorite brush from Morphe, M562, and it's just like a slim brush. So I'm just gonna take the pink right on top, and I'm just gonna build that color up. So I always build, like, stack my colors, and then I kind of like go back in between and blend them in later, because you always lose color with putting on a new color. So you're always going to want to go back in between, because you are going to lose some color in some places. So you're going to want to go back in between and just keep going and building up the color until you get like your desired look. So after that, I'm just going to go in with this soft pink right here, right next to it. And I'm just going to go in with another, Morphe M562. Hopefully this color is like gonna blend out right, because it's like a soft pink. So it's really not coming up well. I've tried to use this pink before and it really didn't do too much. It just kind of diffused out the corners. Anyway, after that, I'm just going to probably cut my crease. I just might bring up that pink a little bit higher, like that light pink, or the pink. I might just take that and just blow that out instead. So I'm not taking anything extra. I'm just taking what is in this area and just kind of blowing it out, and what is on the brush. So I'm just doing like circular motions, and then I'm going to go back in with that first purple, and then I'm just going to make sure she's packed in there well. And just keep blending until you get all those lines out and you just feel like everything looks good. So after that, I'm just going to cut the crease, and let me get some makeup wipes. This should be like a pretty easy look. So I'm just going to go ahead and do the other side, like this side, and then we'll be back to finish off the rest. Okay, so I just went ahead, did the other side, and I cut my crease because y'all see me do that like plenty of times. So now we're just going to start adding some colors. I'm gonna look. So I'm just gonna go in with, I'm gonna go in with this like light green at the bottom here. I'm just going in with a small flat brush, and I'm just gonna go like in the corner with the green. And this is like, I want this to be like a tropical, like fruity makeup look. And with the yellow like right next to it, I'm just gonna flip the brush over and use the other side, because why not? So just gonna add that yellow. I'm gonna take another small brush, and then I'm just gonna, sorry I'm getting texts, I'm gonna do an orange, and here's that orange that I'm using right here. So I'm just gonna be going in with the orange. I'm gonna be using the red right there. And I'm just flipping that over, going in with the red, tapping that color. It kind of looks like a darker orange when it comes out, I guess, but. And then we're going to be going into the pink, and then like the pink that we used in the crease, and then into that purple. I'm just going to use a pencil brush, kind of blend those two colors together. Okay, so this is what it should look like. And then I'm just going to be taking this color right here and just going across the top. You know, that kind of like diffuses and blends that top color out so it doesn't look harsh. I'm going to throw on some lashes. I'm going to do my foundation, and then we'll come back and then we'll finish everything out. Okay, so we did basically everything but like contour. So I'm going to use the matte book to contour as well. I'm just going to take that shade right here. We're just going to go in with a brush. Just gonna do a little bit of blush, just a little. And then we're going to use our setting spray. And then I think I'm gonna do white eyeliner. If I can find my white eyeliner pencil. Here she is. I'm gonna do white eyeliner, and like so. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and go on the bottom, and I think I'm gonna use just connect it with that purple. And just do a little bit of glow. Because why not? Because why not? Look at that. Now, I do not know what color lip I want to do yet. So, I will be back after I figure that out. But this is basically the finished look. And I'll be right back. So, I decided to choose this Milani. It's called Matte Glam. And I kind of want a gloss, so I'm going to try to make it glossy. So I just put that on and just added some gloss over top, so hopefully I don't lose the color. So I'm thinking that is the look there. Like, I really like, my bad y'all, I really like the look of that. So yeah, I think we're gonna go with this. This is the finished look. I hope you guys like. So yeah, this is Milani Matte Glam. It is a purple. I thought it would go good with the eyes. It's matte, but then I just added just like a regular clear gloss over top.